Campfire crew, this is not Tony and Stella. Stella, where are you at? You should be over here with me in the lodge, checking in from the lodge. Now, I know how much you guys miss Tony, so I decided, since he's down and out and just had surgery, I'm going to make his video today. So I need to dress like him, look like him, and act like him so you guys can get your fix of him. So, what are we cooking today? Well, we're not going to cook in the lodge because I need the stove for this one. We're cooking grits. Why are we cooking grits? Because that's the only thing that Tony can eat right now. Some good old-fashioned grits. So come on, let's go cook some grits in my kitchen. Okay, Campfire crew, so I am in my kitchen, which is in the middle of being remodeled, and we're about to cook some grits for Tony. So we're gonna need a cup and a half of water. Now this is just a basic grits recipe, just old-fashioned cook 'em grits. So let's turn it on and get the water to heating. Gonna add a little salt. Nobody judge, he likes it salty. In the meantime, and this just makes one serving. Well, a big serving because I actually eat a little bit of them. He can't eat much. But, gonna need a quarter cup of the grits. Pour them in there. Now, grits are one of those things that is very easy to cook, very quick to cook. So this isn't gonna be a long video. But I knew how much you missed him in his cooking. So here we go. Just kind of keep them stirred a little bit. It won't take them long to come to a boil. Now I'm gonna cook me a couple of pieces of toast because Tony can't have any bread or rice at all. He just would not be able to swallow it. So I'm gonna butter me up some of this bread real quick because I too like toast. So while I'm cooking this, I do want to stress the fact that I have on a long sleeve fishing shirt. And I know you can't see it too good, but a pair of knee shorts. And earlier, Crocs. Gotta keep them stirred so they don't clump. Now when I eat my toast, I'm gonna be eating some cog hill honey on mine. Tony can put honey in his grits if he wants to. Right there, getting a little thicker. Adding a scoop of butter. And that, my friends, is how you cook grits on the stove. Not too hard. So we're about to stop this video and we're gonna eat because I too like to eat. Now remember, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You need to be here in the kitchen with me and Stella. Stella, where you at? Come here. Get over here so we can talk. Again, you need to be here in the kitchen with me and Stella cooking grits because that's all Tony can eat.